Are we headed for a recession? Understanding the economic storm. Are you feeling uneasy about the economy? Headlines scream about inflation, job cuts, and market volatility. It's time to understand what a recession really is and how it could impact your life. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Economic conditions are complex and subject to change. Consult a professional for personalized advice. A recession is more than just a bad quarter. It's a significant decline in economic activity spread across the economy. This downturn typically lasts for several months or even longer. Think of it as a serious economic slowdown. We measure it by looking at key indicators like gross domestic product, GDP, employment rates, and consumer spending. Imagine the economy is a car. A recession is like hitting a major speed bump, or even worse, a brick wall. It slows everything down dramatically. Several factors can trigger a recession. Understanding these triggers can help us anticipate and prepare for potential economic storms. One major trigger is reduced spending. When businesses become cautious, they cut back on investments and hiring. Consumers, worried about the future, also tighten their belts and reduce spending. Rising interest rates can also be a culprit. Higher rates make borrowing more expensive for both businesses and individuals. This discourages spending and investment, further slowing down the economy. Economic shocks can send ripples through the entire system. These shocks can include financial crises, sudden spikes in oil prices, or even global pandemics like the one we recently experienced. Inflation, or rapid price increases, can erode purchasing power. Deflation, or steep price drops, can discourage spending as consumers wait for even lower prices. Both can destabilize the economy. Loss of confidence is a powerful, often overlooked trigger. If people believe an economic downturn is coming, they reduce spending and investment. This can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, making the recession a reality. Recessions aren't just abstract economic concepts. They have very real and often painful effects on everyday life. Job loss is one of the most immediate and devastating impacts. Companies, struggling to stay afloat, often cut jobs to save money. This leads to higher unemployment rates and increased financial insecurity. Lower income is another common consequence. Many workers face pay cuts or reduced work hours. Finding a new job during a recession can be incredibly difficult, further straining household finances. Higher debt becomes a burden for many families. As income decreases, people often rely more on credit cards and loans to make ends meet. This exacerbates the debt burden and creates a cycle of financial stress. Less spending power affects everyone. People cut back on non-essential spending, like dining out, travel, and entertainment. This has a ripple effect on businesses in those sectors, leading to further economic decline. Business closures become a harsh reality. Many businesses, especially small ones, struggle to stay afloat during a recession. Closures lead to job losses and further reduce economic activity in communities. The housing market is also vulnerable. Home prices can drop, making it difficult for homeowners to sell. Reduced mortgage affordability can further dampen the market and impact the construction industry. Psychological stress is a significant but often overlooked consequence. Financial uncertainty and job insecurity can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. The emotional toll of a recession can be immense. While recessions are undoubtedly challenging, they are not permanent. Economies eventually recover and adapt. Recessions can pave the way for recovery by forcing businesses to become more efficient and innovative. They can also create opportunities for new industries and technologies to emerge. Economies often restructure and adapt during and after recessions. This can lead to a more resilient and sustainable economic system in the long run. Innovation often thrives during times of economic hardship. Companies are forced to find new ways to operate and compete, leading to breakthroughs and advancements. Developing new strategies for financial management and career planning is crucial for navigating economic uncertainty. Being prepared can help you weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Understanding the causes and effects of recessions is crucial for navigating these challenging times. Knowledge is power, and being informed can help you make better decisions for yourself and your family. The possibility of a recession is a serious concern, but it's not a reason to panic. It's a call to action. Now is the time to prepare and protect yourself. Start by assessing your financial situation. Create a budget, track your spending, and identify areas where you can cut back. Building an emergency fund is crucial for weathering unexpected financial challenges. Consider paying down high-interest debt. Reducing your debt burden can free up cash flow and provide a buffer against economic shocks. Explore options for consolidating or refinancing your debt to lower your interest rates. Diversify your income streams. Explore opportunities for freelance work, part-time jobs, or starting a side business. Having multiple sources of income can provide a safety net if you lose your primary job. Invest in your skills and education. Take online courses, attend workshops, or pursue certifications that can enhance your job prospects. Staying relevant in the job market is essential for long-term financial security. Stay informed about economic trends. Follow reputable news sources and economic analysts to stay up to date on the latest developments. Understanding the economic landscape can help you make informed decisions. Talk to a financial advisor. A professional can help you develop a personalized financial plan that takes into account your individual circumstances and goals. They can provide guidance on investments, retirement planning, and debt management. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action now to prepare for a potential recession. By taking proactive steps, you can protect yourself and your family from the worst effects of an economic downturn. Share this video with your friends and family so they can prepare too. Let's navigate this economic uncertainty together. We are going to explore on how the recession can be recovered next time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.